Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again with a brand new Webflow video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to fix a subdomain or domain not connecting in Webflow. So this is something that you will face occasionally in case you are working with multiple Webflow websites and you're trying to connect your domain to one of them. So you need to understand something, that when you try to connect any subdomain from here, as you can see, add a custom domain, the Webflow at the moment doesn't support the Apex domain. So for example, if you don't know what is an Apex domain, it is something like this. So Apex domain is basically this one, which is example.com. So when you are trying to add a domain in here into your own Webflow website, make sure that you are not using your Apex domain. Basically, Apex domain is the same as your normal domain, but without the www, which is at the beginning of any domain name. So always when you are trying to add a custom domain to your Webflow account or Webflow website, always add the www before your domain so it can work. That's the only solution, as you can see here through an article made by basically not an article, which is a community problem by the community themselves. Here had the same guy has the same problem, and basically the solution that he got is by ChatGPT, which is Figma doesn't support Apex domain like mesa.com, so you need to connect it with www.site.com instead. So literally the fix is easy. Just use the www before your Apex domain, and this should give you the solution for this problem. So yeah, guys, that was basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.